motorcycle racing into a global obsession, who fought with legends, outlived generations, and smiled while leaving them all in the dust. And what if I told you, the greatest MotoGP rider of all time wasn't just a racer, he was a rock star on two wheels? This is the story of Valentino Rossi, the 9-time world champion who didn't just dominate the sport, he became the very soul of it. Born in Urbino, Italy in 1979, Rossi was practically born on a bike. His father, Graziano Rossi, was a former racer, but Valentino, he was a phenom. At age 17, he won his first world championship in the 125c class. Then came the 250s, then the big leagues. By 2001, he had taken over the premier class, MotoGP, and the world never looked the same. He wasn't just fast, he was electrifying. Nicknamed the Doctor, Rossi had a style all his own. Calculated, aggressive, and brilliantly strategic. He'd trail a rival lap after lap, studying them, then strike at the last corner with surgical precision. He won championships with Honda. Then he shocked the world and moved to Yamaha, a team many thought couldn't win. What did Rossi do? He took Yamaha from underdog to unbeatable. From 2001 to 2009, he won 7 MotoGP titles, bringing his total to 9 world championships. He became the most celebrated motorcycle racer in history. But Rossi wasn't just about trophies. He was charisma, the bright yellow, the 46, the crazy celebrations, the iconic post-race antics. Fans didn't just watch Rossi, they worshipped him. And the rivalries? Oh, they were legendary. Said Gibernau, Casey Stoner, Jorge Lorenzo, and of course, Marc Marquez. When Rossi raced, it wasn't just a sport. It was a drama, a spectacle, a war on wheels. Even as age caught up, Rossi refused to fade. He battled riders half his age, still chasing podiums in his 40s. No excuses, no fear, just pure heart. He finally retired in 2021 after 26 seasons and over 400 Grand Prix starts. And when he walked away, the paddock didn't just lose a legend, it lost its heartbeat. But Valentino's story doesn't end there. He now mentors rising riders through his VR46 Academy, shaping the future of MotoGP. And he still races on 4 wheels this time because legends never really stop. Valentino Rossi wasn't just a champion, he was a movement, a brand, a feeling. He made the world fall in love with MotoGP. He brought the fire, the flair, and the fun. So the next time you hear a motorbike scream down the straight, remember Nashi 46, the doctor, the icon, the king of MotoGP. If this story gave you chills, hit that like button, drop your favorite Rossi moment in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories of racing legends who changed the game forever.